Hello, good morning, my friend. This is Linda, and I'm in the factory to take you the video for our goods. Here we can see is the furnace body, two pieces furnace body with 750 kilogram, and this is the water cooling cable. And inside there is a crucible mood. Here you can see this is the crucible mood. And here this front two cabinets. So this is our cabinet, and I will open it. And this is the second cabinet. It's all finished, and here this is the reducer tilting control box to control the furnace rotary pouring out the liquid. And here, sorry, too many goods. The